Alright, this is one of the freight elevators at Owens Hall, Virginia Tech. It's the constant pressure one. These are St. Louis fire doors and they're very heavy. And stiff. Hold on one second. You gotta actually pull with both hands. Lock it in place. Alright, take her up to 3. This does stop automatically. Back down to 1. Let's get a look at it. It's a very, very small freight elevator. This has a 2,000 pound capacity. A lot of the passenger elevators on campus have a capacity much higher than that. Restoration, I don't know what that is. This is a single speed gate here. This is 2-speed. Phone on the panel, or on the wall rather. Buttons have been replaced with Adams Survivor Plus. Take her back up. We'll look at this side going up this time. Looks like there used to be a door here, but they boarded it up. Back down to 1. Here we're back at 1. Those are very frayed. And I'm not even going to struggle with the doors on camera, so I'm just going to end it here. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching.